Good day Internet, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are here at the Stellenbosch Airshow. Sufficient parking was available on an open field. Tickets were sold on Quicket, that ensured fast and quick entry as no money needed to be exchanged. A surprise was the many food vendors. There was a variety of choice, that's hamburgers and chips, spit fry and even oxtail and potjiekos. There was some Mexican and Thai food, really something to satisfy everybody's taste buds. The airshow was held over 2 days. Entry fee for the Friday was R165 per person and the Saturday was R185. All tickets were sold out and the spectators area was quickly filled to capacity. Cameramen of various magazines were standing ready with the cameras to capture all the action of the day. Several aircrafts were parked between the runway and was in view of the spectators as they got ready for the airshow. The show started at 4 o'clock with a flypast of the Silver Falcons from Langebaanweg Flying School. 5 instructors piloted this Pilatus Astra PC-7's in formation. This was followed by a solo aerobatic display. Next up was a spectacular aerobatic display by the Goodyear Eagle pitch team with magnificent flying skills. What a surprise it was to see Captain Scully Levin at the airshow. Scully is a legend pilot with the flying industry. He was an SAA pilot, aerobatic specialist with many awards. He has recently published his own biography, which was also on sale at the airshow. At the age of 76 and still flying. Many people say that Scully will keep on flying as long as the sky is above him. So let's go and look at the skills of the Flying Lion Harvard's team.
Everything will happen on that line.
The Bosch book on display brought back memories from the Angola War. This plane was piloted by Andre Berger, a military veteran who showed his skill with this aircraft. It was then time for the Tucana replica to steal the show and draw the attention of the spectators.
Yeah, spatial orientation here is vital. Advanced Air Flight Center in Nelspruit. Obtained instructor's rating in 2000. Airline transport pilot's license 2001. This is stunningly beautiful. It starts at 24 meters per hour. A range of 5 hours, 250 meters. Rate of climb 1,000. So the short staccanos are actually being used by the Royal Air Force at the moment as their basic trainer. For 5,800 hours, two flight instructors. They say it's going to call sequence complete. I'm sure he is.
It was time for the Yak 55 to show off with a solo aerobatic display.
Around, beautiful, the roasty sound of that head and head. It's an MP14 radial engine for 360 horsepower. It's flying and turns it around. Good Bugsy hails from this part of the world, former Rhodesian lad. 2014 Mark Hensman to series fashion for air shows and for Marksmen Aerobatics full time.
The flying skills with the 1981 Cessna C-180 was well appreciated by the crowd.
It was very enjoyable.
That is so speedy, like you can see that it's got flags down. So in this case it's not.
This Magni Gyrocopter was piloted by Andre van Zyl. He has more than 580-hour flying experience on the gyro. What makes this gyrocopter different from a helicopter is that the rotor blades on top is free-flowing and not driven by the main motor. The motor in the rear is only for forward thrust. This then causes the top rotor blades to spin and allows the aircraft to fly. The pilot must control the rotor speed at all times. Hovering is possible, but it takes a lot of concentration and a lot of skill. The crowd was also treated by some skydivers.
Around now they'll turn into the wind. That'll bring the speed down. If you look at those canopies, they're made of ripstop nylon and they look like great big floating mattresses. Mark Jackson, my dear friend, standing there, he just looks and he says, wow, that is so awesome. Look at this, look at this. Beautiful. She's absolutely full. Engine started, just moving along there now. There's a big problem. Pilot's not in that aircraft. Oh dear. Running behind us. No, not at all. Not airborne. There's that on the right hand side. My producer tells me yes, he is airborne. Very, very low. This is really scary stuff indeed. That's in that aircraft. Well, at the moment now, Francois Hannekom is the director of safety. He's having to make serious decisions here now. How they're going to send out the fire truck. Ron Kamala gets to his feet. He's from the CIA. He says, guys, those fire trucks will roll. Let's get out there now. And let's look at this. Here he is now. Completely dives down to the ground, pulls up the aircraft. People of the Zalza, I think that's what the estate is called there. They eagerly watching, now flying that aircraft very, very erratic. This is really see, between the trees now. I don't know if you can see it, but he is now just flying on the seat of his pants. Takes the aircraft out there now. Dives down, he's putting that wing right on the edge. Down he goes. Coming along now. Well, it's all tatters now. Never any danger, always in control, all good.
Climbs up on the runway. Model manufacturer hanging 9. In the belt.
Well, I hope that you've enjoyed this video and this air show with us, and if you did, please press that like button and give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to our channel, as we have many more videos to bring to you, and we will be seeing you in the next video. Cheers.